Guys, welcome to Fishhook, and Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everybody. Isn't this a great time of season? This is not my usual garb, of course. It's Christmas time. We started off with Thanksgiving, going to Christmas, and it's a spirit of giving and blessing others. And that's what we want to do here at Fishhook. We want to thank you guys first and foremost for an unbelievable year. We started February 26th. And we're going to hit 1,200 subscribers here this week. It's been awesome, and I want to thank you guys very much. So in an effort to keep in the spirit of giving, we want to bless you guys. You have to be a subscriber, and if you're not, smash that subscribe button. We want you part of the Fishhook family. We're going to do a pretty cool giveaway, a $250 Visa prepaid card. We're not going to give it away on Christmas. We're going to give it away, debut it, and announce it on New Year's Day. If you're new, subscribe to the channel, enter the drawing, and we're going to pick some lucky guy or gal for $250. And this way, a Visa card, you can spend it as you please. Just a little way to say thank you for a great year. We're looking forward to 2020. We've got great recipes on the horizon, fishing trips planned. There's just really cool stuff going to be happening. This is one of my most favorite seasons of the year, the winter time. There's so much to do, and I love the outdoors. So guys, I hope you enjoyed all the videos. We had a sensational hot crab dip video just go up this morning. Check it, view it, give us some good comments. I welcome all your comments, and if you have emails on recipes or suggestions for other topics to talk about, send them on down. I listen, I respond to everybody. Again, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and we'll see you on the next one.